तो इनकम टैक्स ना स्लैब वाइज होता है. Whatever is your income, it is not 10% flat. If your income is high, your slab is also higher. Because you are rich, you can afford to pay more taxes. समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है. So now imagine a situation, you are in the 10% tax slab, means your salary is something जिस पे 10% tax लग. Tomorrow, and you are spending in the economy. ठीक है. Tomorrow you got promotion, and there are thousands and crores of people like you whose salary have increased. Now tax छोड़ दो, salary increase हो गया, you got more money in your hands, right? Your salary is increased, you got more money, you will spend more also, बराबर? You will press accelerator on the economy because you are spending more. ज़्यादा खर्चा होगा. Once you spend more, the other people, those who are selling, they will get more, they will produce more. The economy will go to an entire different level, at a very high level. Is this good? Very good. Is this good after a certain level? No. Why? Because yesterday we saw after a point of time inflation हो जाता है. It gets overheated. Why inflation is happening? उसका एकदम deep economic reason is कि see today you are producing 100 pens. You have the capacity to produce 150 pens. आप 100 बना रहे हो. Why you are making 100? Because demand उतना है. Tomorrow demand goes to 120, you will make 120. Demand goes to 140, you will make 140. Demand goes to 160. Will you buy a new machine altogether, or you will wait? You have a capacity of 150 pens. Demand is 160. नया machine आता है जो और 150 pens बना पाएगा. But that is a heavy capital expenditure. So you will wait. Correct? If demand increases further, then only you can invest for further years. So then when demand is increasing 160, 170, 180, you are waiting. Your supply is 150, demand is 180. What will happen to prices? Prices will rise, inflation will happen, supply is utna hi limited. This is the reason why after a certain point of time inflation happens, because output cannot be increased in consonance with demand. Demand तो ऊपर नीचे होगा, output इतना fast थोड़ी होता है ऊपर नीचे. Output requires a lot of machinery, capital, production and all. This is the economic logic behind it. So okay, coming back. I told demand increases to 160, 170, 180. How did demand increase to 160, 170, 180? Because you have more money with you to spend. So you will demand कि मेरे को iPad चाहिए, I need a new bike, I need this, I need that. Right? Why did you get more money? Because you got promotion, your salary got increased. So can I say कि increase in salary can lead to increase in inflation? समझ आ रहा है तुम लोगों को? Yes, increase in salary can lead to increase in inflation. Government needs to step in. What does counter cyclical approach say? निकालो आप. Correct? अभी government हर बार ये अगर if something extreme happens, government has to do it immediately then and there. Certain aspects can be regularized, can be as a part of policy only. Correct? Income tax in India is a part of that policy. जो मैंने बताया ना slab भी increase होता है. So if you are earning 100 rupees, 10 rupees is your income tax. How much are you getting to spend? 90 rupees. Tomorrow if you go to 150 and suppose 20% is the slab, more proportion is with the government now. समझ आ रहा है? Your spending power is getting reduced as your salary is increasing. It is still more than 90 rupees. It is still more than 90. But is it proportionate to उतना नहीं? Because 10% 130 अगर आपका हो गया तो 13 नहीं जाएगा, 20% जाएगा, 26 कट होगा 130 में से, and it will only be 104. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So in a way I can say कि increase in salary का negative effect on inflation is reduced to an extent. Yes or no? And government is not doing anything actively. It is a part of law. It is happening automatically as a part of policy. I gave one example. These things or these actions on the part of government which are regularized, which automatically bring the economy to a certain level. After reaching very high, they automatically reduce the impact of increasing spending power. These are known as automatic stabilizers. They stabilize the economy automatically. These are known as automatic stabilizers.